Hello. Today I want to show you how to install a program called Crossloop, which I like to use for remote desktop sharing on a client's computer so I can make changes and fixes to their computer without having to go to their house or have them bring their computer to me. In order to install Crossloop, you'll need to download it, so let's open the browser. I don't know if you use Firefox or Internet Explorer, but anyone will do. Just go to your favorite search engine. I like to use Google and type Crossloop. The first link that should come up is www.crossloop.com. Go ahead and click that and we'll go to the Crossloop main page. On the lower left hand side there should be a little section that says screen sharing. We'll click the download now link. It'll take us to the download page, which we can click the download button right here. I'm going to go ahead and save the application, and I'm going to make sure I have the desktop selected so it'll download straight to the desktop, and click save. I'm going to close the browser window. That finished downloading Crossloop. And the setup program should be on your desktop. Just double click that program to run it, give it permission to run. In Windows Vista and Windows 7 you might get a user account control window which asks you if you want this program to make changes to your computer. Go ahead and click yes. Language is English. Begin the setup process, click next. Accept the license agreement, click next. I do want a desktop icon. I do not want a quick launch icon. Click next. This is where it will install. That's fine. Click install. Okay, so it's finished setting up. It's asking me if I want to launch Crossloop. I'm going to go ahead and do that, so I'll click finish. It might make a server check and do a few other checks. Go ahead and let it do that. And then the next window it should show you is to create an account, which we don't need, so I'm going to go ahead and click later. And then this window here is the access and share window. Make sure the share tab is clicked, and you have an access code right here which you'll need to give to the remote access user. Once they have that number, they can just type it in. And you can click connect on your end. And then you'll get a confirmation window asking if you want this person to connect. Make sure it's who they're supposed to be, and then click yes. Once it's connected, it will simply tell you you're sharing your screen with the other user, and they'll be able to access your computer and make changes to it. Once it's done, they'll probably disconnect from your computer, or if you like, you can disconnect them at any time by clicking the disconnect button right here. Once you're finished using Crossloop, just close it, and they no longer have access to your computer, and that's how you use Crossloop.